Hi, my name is Tilagiswari Maniam. I'm an English teacher. I strongly believe that the introduction is the most crucial phase in the presentation. The video you all watched just now is all about what I'm going to explain in this presentation. So, let's dive in. Improving people's interest to do revision and enhancing their grammar skills through Ryugu, Reach Your Goal game. This is the title of my innovation project. Next, let's take a look at the objective of Ryugu. To help the pupils to do revision and answer the grammar questions from the 5 topics that have been chosen in fun way. To encourage the pupils to answer variety of questions that taken not only from the textbook but also from the revision books. To give chance for the people to do hands-on activity by playing the game and encourage the eagerness to win the game. To improve their memory skill by playing the game frequently with the same repeated questions not only in the class but also on the recess time and all their free time because the Ryugu sets have been placed in the classroom. Ryugu, Ryugu, Ryugu. But how to play it? This game played by 5 players. One will be the reader and the other 4 will be the players. Reader arranges the cards on the base. The player take turns to throw the dice and move according to the number they get. Once they stop on a cartoon picture, the reader will pick a card and read out the question with multiple answer options. The player will answer the question. If the player answers correctly, he or she will move one step ahead. If the player answers wrongly, he or she will move one step backward. Those who are standing on the star does not have to answer the question. The player who reaches the goal box, he or she win the game and receive reward from the teacher. We use 4 types of methodology in this research, such as observation, pre-test, post-test, and survey. Let's take a look at the research procedures. In the earlier stage, an observation on people's behavior in the classroom on English period were conducted. Pupils were lack of interest to use the textbook and worksheet for grammar revision. They were also unable to remember the grammar topics that had been taught few weeks ago. Pupils discussed the problem with their teacher. Pre-tests were conducted before the application of the game. People were given 20 questions from a few grammar topics chosen from the textbook. People used the Ryugu game in the grammar lesson, recess time, and after school. Teacher did some reflection and improvised the Ryugu set by creating the new cartoons, attach grammar notes, upgrade the game board, and the question cards. People used the upgraded version of Ryugu set. The post-test was conducted to collect the data. Pupils were given 20 questions on the same grammar topics but different from the pre-test. Pupils answer the survey form and teachers study the feedback. Pupils really love the Ryugu game. This graph demonstrates pre- and post-test results of the people who participated in this research. The findings show that 20 out of 20 people tested scored 15 to 20 correct answers in the post-test compared to 5 to 6 correct answers in the pre-test. According to the graph, students' scores improved after a few months of practicing Ryugu. Let's take a look at the finding 2. This chart shows the percentage of the pupils who answered 10 grammar questions in the exams correctly. The finding 2 show that the percentage shows significant improvement from 30% to 75% in the exams. According to the graph, people's performances in the exam improved after a few months of practicing Ryugu. There are 4 versions of Ryugu. The first one is a basic version, uses big board. Due to space consumption, the mini version of Ryugu with the codes now everyone can play created. Then there comes the recycle version, which is very famous among peoples. The last one, Ryugu 2.0, is the upgraded version. As a conclusion, Ryugu is a successful project that really improved people's grammar skills in that selected topics until they were able to memorize the questions and answers. This study helped us to overcome the problem of grammar revision and improved our English results in UPSR for almost 3 years. Ryugu received many awards and recognition national and internationally. People able to develop the speaking and writing skills in English if they can understand the grammar. Now, let's watch the journey of Ryugu. I really hope that you all enjoyed the presentation. For your info, Ryugu will be published by Fagos Books Sendirian Berhad. With that, I would like to say thank you.